Hi everyone, I have already replaced the conventional switches to the Sonoff smart switch, pair it to the eVlink app, enable the skills in Amazon Echo or Google Home Mini, and let's try the voice command. Alexa, turn on the couch light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the TV light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the TV.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the cove light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the launch light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the launch fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the bookshelf light.
Did you mean bookshelf light?
Yes.
Okay.
Alexa, I'm hot.
Okay.
Alexa, volume up on TV.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the TV.
Okay.
Alexa, goodbye. And everything is off. Thank you so much for viewing this video.